Hello and welcome to ScandiPWA Weekly Community Session. This is Alex here today with you. I have compiled a list of 4 main highlights from the past week, 4 topics to discuss related to ScandiPWA project. Of course, we're going to talk about ScandiPWA version 3, the latest version, the latest release. I'm going to present a new ScandiPWA use case during today's session. We're going to go through the digest of latest technical updates, and I have bonus content for you, the free ebook on migration from Magento 1 to Magento 2 plus PWA. But before we move to this bonus content, let's talk about ScandiPWA version 3. So as you probably know, the version 3 is released. It was released in beta. It was released last week, but we have some updates. So for those of you who missed the big update, here is the main highlights. Version 3 now contains the pluggable extension support, has parent theme support, and also ScandiPWA ESLint plugin. Of course, since the version 3 was released as beta, there are a lot of things that our developers currently working on, and we have released 2 new releases during this week. The information is available on our GitHub. The links will be added to the description box below. You can check it out. So as you see, we have 2 releases that contains minor improvements and bug fixes, also some simplifications and bug fixes, and we are still working to improve the third version. You can read more about these particular releases and about the ScandiPWA version 3 on our GitHub. Just follow the link that is added to the description to learn more, or jump to our Slack channel and ask your questions. We will provide you an answer. Moving on with the second topic for today, very excited to present a new ScandiPWA use case, the website that was recently launched called Divino.lv or Divino.lv. This is a wine shop powered by ScandiPWA, and here we can see this interesting implementation. The link is also added to the description, so feel free to browse, feel free to check the store, and let us know what they think. So I'm going to quickly browse just to present some overview of the website, what we can see here, how it is designed, and how it is different from other ScandiPWA powered websites. Make sure to browse it yourself, and again, let us know what you think about this website. Moving on with the next topic, we have a lot of small technical updates that I'm happy to cover during this session. The ScandiPWA Stripe GraphQL has been fixed. We have a new release that introduces a proper Magento version 2.3.5 support implementation. Also, we have a bump installer's version to 3.x, to ScandiPWA 3.x, and here on GitHub you can see more information about these releases. Follow the links that are again added to the description, and learn more. If you're a developer, if you're an agency, you'll be very interested to check what's new, and I hope you will be able to leverage all the releases we are recently provided. So the next thing I'd like to mention, don't miss the video tutorials on ScandiPWA extensions. we have recently uploaded a lot of videos, and we have created a dedicated playlist on our YouTube channel that has information on working with extensions in ScandiPWA. Specifically, it explains how to work with extensions in the latest ScandiPWA version 3. Make sure to send your questions. We are reaching out to you and asking for your feedback, for your questions, so we can film even more videos, and we are going to upload these videos to our channel. So in case you have any feedback or something is not clear and some information is missing, let us know, and we are going to create more video content for you. And the last topic for today, the free ebook that was just launched. This ebook provides more information and some really useful insights on migration from Magento 1 to Magento 2 plus PWA. If you are a merchant or agency working with your customers, most likely you already thought about migration, and you know that this migration brings a lot of challenges. So in this ebook we are covering a lot of topics and providing answers to all of your questions related to migration. Here you can see the table of contents, so it has overview, some explanation of Magento 2 benefits. Since we are not only talking about migration to Magento 2, but to save your time and resources, we are providing a guideline on how to migrate to Magento 2 and how to make your store a PWA store. So we're providing an explanation on what is PWA exactly. Is it a good idea to migrate to PWA and Magento 2 together? Listing all the pros and cons of this process, some things to keep in mind, how to find a right team or how to organize a right work for your team to make sure this migration is seamless, some insights on planning. We're providing a roadmap, migration roadmap, post go live, what to take into account after the migration is done, and we're also offering useful checklists. So even if you are very experienced, you will find this information useful. These checklists can be a benchmark for you, and I really hope that you will be able to leverage this great content. The link is added to the description, so go and download the ebook. Well, this is it for today. This is everything I have prepared. Send us your question and send us your questions, and we will make sure to address them during the next sessions. Thank you for watching this video. This is my contact information. Write me an email in case you have anything on your mind, and see you next time. Goodbye.